Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we have got stage 9 of Model Space's Build Your Own Ford GT40. So stage 9, this is another very quick and easy stage. This time we're going to be doing the co-driver's seat. So all we've got to do is we've got to take the two parts that we're given in this issue, and we get 3 screws as well. We're just going to slot them together, and then we're going to put 2 screws in the back. And that is going to be it for this issue. Let me show you the parts that we get. So very similar when we've done stage 7, when we've done the driver's seat. Now we've got the co-driver's seat. I can't really see any difference in the parts at the moment, but let's get them out the packaging and we'll start building. So we've now got our parts out of our packaging, and I think this is going to be one of those blink and you miss it kind of videos. We've got the 2 pegs, 2 holes. We're going to slot these together just like that, and then we're going to put 2 screws in the back to keep them in. These are flanged screws so that we'll keep them in. So let's get the first one in. So this is the last stage of this pack. I've just lost that screw. There it is. This is the last stage of this pack, and it's been quite an easy pack. And the next pack, they do spread out the co-driver's door quite a bit. I've had a preview of the next pack in the last issue. They do spread out that door quite a lot. I think that goes over the next, so the next pack, I think that's, you spread the co-driver's door over 4 steps, 4 stages, whereas we in pack 2 we've done that as all as 1 stage, whereas now it's 4 stages for 1 door. So I don't think we're going to have a lot to do over the next few issues. And once you're done, this is what you should have. You should have the first part of the co-driver's seat all complete, ready for the next part in the next pack. So this is everything that we've built in pack 3. We have installed the lights into the front of the bonnet, and we've made the driver's chair, and we've completed the driver's chair, and we've started the co-driver's seat. So they're going to connect together on there in the next stage. So that's it guys, that is stage 9 complete, and that was the last stage of pack 3. So next we're on to pack 4. Haven't had pack 4 delivered yet, but I'm sure that will be here within the next week or so we can jump onto that as soon as that comes through. I will release a pack 3 completed video over the next few days, so if you want to watch it all together, all in one, which I'm sure will probably be the same length as a normal video rather than a quick 2-minute video, then yeah, that'll be out in the next few days. Make sure you check that out. So if you like this video guys, please hit the like button down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time guys, take care, bye bye.